Hey Sparks, what's up? And hello to my new viewers and new subscribers. My name is Montina Young Portis, and my mission with this channel is to inspire, educate, and share information that will help you thrive in life and thrive in business. If that sounds good to you, subscribe. So guys, I'm in my office making a ton of videos. So if you see me with the same shirt on, don't skip over my videos. Watch them. So listen, I'm going to talk about how my credit score increased like 50 freaking points, how this happened. So you all know I have been big on credit. I'm going to talk in another video. Let me bring these cards up. Literally, I have business cards, personal cards. I'm going to talk about this. I did Brandon Weaver's program. That part of that worked. It really worked on only one thing on my credit report because everything else was okay really for me. And when I consolidated my student loans, that was a game changer because when Navient was paid off and then they were literally consolidated and moved to Fed loan, there was a window of opportunity where they were paid off on my credit report, so they didn't show up. And that's a utilization. Well, I don't think it's counted that way, but it's still debt. And so when I tell you, so I've had my credit cards, I got the Amex last year from the time you're watching this, so about 2018, I've had my Capital One for like 10 years, but I still was teetering around $1,000 credit limit. I'm like, what am I gonna do with $1,000, right? I had $15,000 on a business credit card. And so it came an opportunity where I was able to get another credit card through PNC Bank, which I have a video about why your banking relationship is so important. So I got the one at PNC Bank, and my credit score ended up jumping like 50 points. And I was like, whoa. And I mean, now I'm in the 700 club finally. Yes, things have changed. I'm living an awesome life. An awesomer life, right? If that's a word, but I made it up. So think about that as you're paying attention to your credit. I look at Credit Karma. I look at Experian. Credit-wise, I have through Capital One. Every single day I look at my FICO scores. Every single day. What we pay attention to expands. And so I'm paying attention to my credit cards, and I pay attention to my hair too. I talked to y'all about that. But it expands. And so I just want to encourage you to pay attention. That's how I increase mine. Make sure your utilization is low. When I signed up for Brandon Weaver's program with 609creditrepair.com, I actually was going in and really it was a matter of my utilization on one of my cards was too high. So with the Capital One Spark card, you can literally have a big limit on it, but if you're using a lot of the limit like I was, it didn't matter because it was still affecting my credit negatively. Now I don't use the credit card. I only use business cards that do not report to my consumer credit report. So as a business owner, I would highly recommend you don't use credit cards that report to your consumer credit report. But that's how I did it. So play around. I know on CreditWise, if you have a Capital One credit card, and then on Credit Karma under TransUnion, it'll say, different ways where you can increase your credit limit. And for me, it was like if I had a card and had like a $5,000 credit limit, it would increase my credit score, and it did by 50 points. So wanted to share that. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you have specific questions about credit that I can answer as it relates to business. You need to have excellent credit. That needs to be a goal, because when you are over 700 or 720, as they say, 800, yes, great, but over 700, the game starts to change. And as a business owner, you need access to credit because you need access to capital, especially if you're going after government contracts, because, and even government, meaning your state and local, because as part of the government, you may have to bond the contracts. And if you have to bond them, it's based off your credit report, or it's based off your credit score. It's important. All right, y'all, I don't want this video to be too long. Let me know below what questions you have. As always, thanks so much for watching, and get your credit scores up. It's important. I'll see you in the next video, y'all. Peace.